In today's video, we're going to look at setting up Plex. Plex Media Server is it's a bit like having your own Netflix on-prem. It's a bit more than that. At the same time, it's not as good as that. Anyway, let's jump into it and see what we get, shall we? Welcome back. I'm Gary, and thanks for watching my videos. Really do appreciate it. Don't forget to check out Discord, link in the description. And while you're down there, why don't you just click on the subscribe button, click that little bell notification, and it will tell you when I release new videos. Why not? Doesn't cost you anything. And if you get to the end of this video and you find it useful, give it a little thumbs up. Or if you don't, click the other one. That works as well. I don't mind if you do either. All helps me out. But why not leave a comment and tell me if you find it useful. Let's jump into it. So if we look at my desktop, you will see that I'm logged into KDE. And this is the one that I used in my last video to set up KDE. We're going to use the same one. It doesn't matter. So let's get rid of that. We're in my root directory. And we're going to install Plex Media Server. And it's quite simple. We're going to use package. Actually, we're not going to use package. Let's go to let's see what options are in Plex Media. Just the relay, and that's the default. So we can use package, that's fine. Let's get rid of that. So package, install Plex Media Server. Now, I was introduced to Plex by a guy called Michael, who I used to work with. He'd been running it for quite a long time to allow him to watch videos while he was on trains and stuff like that, because we commuted into London. And yeah, so Michael, thanks for introducing me to Plex. So let's carry on, shall we? So here we go. Let's see what the package message tells us. Let's maximize this, shall we? Might make things a bit easier. So here we go. So let's add this to our rc.conf. So that will enable Plex to start when the server or box or workstation starts up. So we'll just do this as well. Okay, so we've got that bit. Why don't we open up a web browser and have a look? See what we get. Oh yeah, need to start it, don't I? Service. Start. There we go. Should we try that again? There we go. So it's quite easy to actually get up and running a Plex server. It's that simple. We're going to log in with our Google account. My phone's going mental. Wait for Plex to do its thing. Sure, it'll get there in a minute. There we go. I just refreshed the page there because it seemed like it was taking forever. So we're going to skip this. We're not going to pay for it just yet. Maybe one day. What do we want to call this? So let's give our server a name. Let's just call it Plex Server. And we want it to allow access outside of our house. Okay, now it's asking us to choose where our media is. Now, I haven't set up any media storage yet. I have some media there. So we'll just add a new folder. So let's cd into home and and we'll call it media. CD into there. And let's make one called videos. Ooh. Make dir video. So we can minimize that for now. So if we go in now, there it is. So let's copy our media over to it. We copy them here. There we go. We can now add the library. So what kind of library is it? Well, they're not movies. They're other videos. We just call it videos. I think I was going to say personal videos, but anyway. So we go to Home, Media, Video. Add. We can add other ones if we've got pictures or if we've got any other kind of media. I'm not going to advocate you pirate videos in there. I'm not going to say anything like that. That's for you to make your own decision. I can't stop you. I wouldn't personally condone pirating videos. I wouldn't like it if somebody did that to my videos. So I can't condone that, but it's up to you if you want to run that risk. So there we go, and finished. So finish the setup. And there's our Plex server. And there's our media. Just make sure that our library is being scanned automatically. Yep. So that should be it for now. So what we're going to do is we're going to check this out on my Windows box. $32400. Let's see what we get here. So that's good. It knows who we are because we signed up with the same account. Don't care about that. So Plex server, and there we go. So there's my two media sources that I put up there. It's really that easy to do. My untidy living room, getting ready. Yeah, there's the doggy. Yeah, resting again. All those cables. Disgusting. Getting ready to film the next video. So there we go. Plex Media Server. Look at that. Even knows that it's 4K. Today, we're going to just cover what you do once you've installed FreeBSD. So you followed my guide and you've got FreeBSD installed. What do you do? Welcome back. There we go. As simple as that. I will at some point show you how you can set up a virtual host in something like Nginx or Apache to redirect traffic to your Plex server so that you don't need any of these stupid port numbers. You can just log in direct on a HTTPS or HTTP port. Yeah, that works really well. I run that on my own one. I'll show you that maybe next week. We'll see how we go. For now, though, I hope you've enjoyed this little look at Plex Media Server. It just does what it says on the tin. You can't really say much more about it. So if you like this video, please just give it a little like and subscribe. If you don't like it, the thumbs down always works. Little button down there. Don't forget to check out Discord. The community is really starting to grow now, and it does make me feel very proud about that we're creating that. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.